How much does a jumpstart service cost? Imagine being stuck with a dead battery just when you need to get somewhere fast. Knowing what a jumpstart service costs can help you be ready for those unexpected moments. Usually, a jumpstart for a small car costs between $60 and $100. If you drive a larger vehicle like a diesel truck or semi-truck with several batteries, the price can go up to $300 or more. Some roadside assistance companies charge around $80 to $90, but others might offer it for as low as $50. If you belong to a roadside help organization like the American Automobile Association, your jumpstart might be free up to a certain number of calls each year. Non-members will generally have to pay a fee. For teens learning to drive and own cars, it's good to know that modern vehicles have complex computer systems. Jump-starting them incorrectly can cause damage that's costly to fix. Calling a professional service is safer and helps prevent accidental damage. It's smart to find out the typical cost of jumpstart services in your area so you're prepared if your battery dies. Joining a roadside assistance program like the American Automobile Association can save you money and give you peace of mind. Learning basic safety tips for jump-starting can help, but it's best to leave newer cars to professionals if you're unsure. Keep emergency numbers handy so you can call for help quickly. If your car does not start after a jump, it might need a new battery or a professional checkup. Knowing these facts helps teens handle battery problems responsibly. It also helps avoid unexpected expenses or damage to your vehicle. Being prepared means you can stay safe and get back on the road faster, whether you're heading to school, work, or just out with friends.